guys, it's Beatty. Today I have this rosy pink glam look for you. I hope you will enjoy. I will start off with a primer and I'll just smooth this all over the face. Next I'm adding a full coverage foundation. I'm just applying this with a sponge. So I also added some spot concealing and now I'm going to move on to the eyes. I'm using this Naked palette and the first eyeshadow I'm using is this one. And I'm using the brush that came with the palette. Now I'm going to use the same eyeshadow underneath. I'm going all the way to the inner corner as well with this one. Now I'm taking this eyeshadow. I'm taking this on a fluffy blending brush and just adding to the crease. And now I'm taking this eyeshadow called Factory on another brush and I'm just going to deepen up the outer corner. Just very softly. Also going to add it on the bottom up a little bit. Now I'm just taking a clean brush to smudge the edges. Just needs to be blended out nice and soft. And I'm going to take this eyeshadow from the palette on the same brush and add it underneath the brow bone. Now I will add some concealer underneath the eyes. And I'm adding some loose powder to set the T-zone. I will add some brown eyeliner. So it needs to be thinner on the inner corner. And then thicker as you go along. I don't want to make a flick, I just want to make the eyeliner quite straight. But also I'm just going to finish it up into a point on the end. And I will also add it to the waterline. Next I'm curling my eyelashes and I'm going to add a thin layer of mascara. Now I'm going to add false eyelashes and those are the individual short ones. I'm just adding mascara on top of the individual lashes as well. So this added a ton of volume to the eyelashes. Now for the eyebrows I'm going to be using a brow pomade. So I want that very polished looking brow. That's why I'm using a pomade instead of a pencil. For the lips I'm using a lip pencil first. Then I'm using a pink toned lipstick. Just going to use a little bit on the brush to go around the edges. Now I will just contour my face using the Nars Casino. I will also add some contour to the sides of the nose. For blush, I'm using Coralista. And I'm applying the blush to a big area of my cheek because it has a very pretty pearl in it. So it's just going to give nice sheen in the entire face. And for highlighter, I'm using this one from the Platinum Eyes palette. It has a pink undertone, so it will go well with this look. It is very, very glittery though, so I would use a tiny bit just. And I'm making a C shape, so I'm going on my temple as well. And that is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the thumbs up. For more makeup tutorials, please subscribe to my channel. Then I'm using the pink I want so that's the eyebrows done.